So here it is, my latest project and my biggest project I've ever done, a 1980 Roadrunner gooseneck camper that's definitely seen better days. I got this trailer for free $99 because a family friend of my buddy recently bought an acre of land that had a bunch of trailers on it, and his wife looked at this camper and said, "Get rid of it, I don't want it here." So he offered it to my buddy, but my buddy doesn't have a gooseneck hitch, so he told me about it and he's like, "Hey man, if you take it, you can have it." So I have it now, and I am in love with this trailer, even though it is so old and rusted and run down, but I'm so excited to fix it. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this thing is really rough. The outside's pretty beat up, the inside, it's got a whole lot of water damage by the kitchen area, the bathroom, the back end of it. It's just, there's a lot of damage. It's been sitting abandoned for a couple years. Animals have made their own homes in this as well. Now it's gonna be my home for the weekends, but I gotta get it cleaned up, and there's a lot to do on this guy. But hey, it was free $99, and I see a lot of potential with this trailer, mainly because I like to camp, and you know what? Camping's a fun time. Who doesn't like camping?
Now let's step inside. So once we enter in here, we're right into the kitchen. Everything here is, as I've been told, very blue. But we have a kitchen. There's been a lot of rat droppings and everything, so this entire area is gonna go. But for right now, we have a stove, we have a sink, nice little cabinets. That's what they look like. Oh, this is a weird latch system. So. There. Okay, that one doesn't shut. I thought it did. Moving on, we have our vent duct right there. We have our fridge that's actually brand new. No one's ever used it. The reason why I say that is there's still a sticker in here. So that's pretty neat. There's a couch right here that I gotta get rid of all that foam because again, I don't know where it's been. I don't want to lay on it. I don't want my kids on it. It's gotta go. These stairs have a weird plastic thing on them, or fake leather. I don't know what that is. I gotta get rid of that. This is the master bedroom. You can fit a king size bed in here. It has some water damage over there in the corner that we're gonna have to fix. The cabinets, honestly, don't look too bad. Along with the walls in this room, I'm gonna tear up the floor because it's very squishy and I don't know what's wrong with it. Windows are pretty cool though. I like the windows. I want to keep them. Very old school. The door itself is definitely in need of repair. There's this thing right here, which I don't know what that's for. One thing I do like about the windows, besides these curtains are not my style, it twists and opens and it stays locked open. So pretty neat, pretty cool. And we have this possible table area. I'm not too sure. Why is the ground's kind of soft right here? That's not good. I thought that was the problem area, but Paul's right here's too. So that's not good. Please don't let me fall through. So we might convert this little area right here from the couch into a table couch setup. Not too sure yet. I'm still thinking a table right here. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I've never done this, so I don't know yet. But we're gonna remove the entire kitchen here because I don't know what's behind all this. I'm gonna keep this area right here because it fits the fridge just fine. This is the only nasty part. Again, easy to replace this with another, what is this, NBF? I can replace it with 3/4 inch plywood, I don't care. But this area right here, not too bad. And a little exhaust for the heat, for the heater I'm guessing. Because it goes down to here. Oh no, that's the, oh no, that's the, what is it? That's the black tank exhaust for all the smelly stuff. Oh, I see. Okay, so we're gonna leave that in there. And we go to the bathroom. It's before I cleaned it, it was absolutely disgusting. There was water in the toilet. There was water in the tank. This is ceramic. I'm going to replace that. We have a closet here, another closet. It's kind of a strange spot, but that's okay. Sink's kind of broken. The back of the toilet area is very patchwork together, so I think I'm gonna tear out this entire area and redo it, put a new shower and everything in here. We have an upside down cross mirror, which I guess is fine. I don't know, I don't like any of this, so I'm gonna remove all of it. We got that up there, so there's definitely water damage from somewhere, so all this has to go. I think I'll keep the wall partition. I like it, keeps that separation, and it's less things for me to remove, I guess, you know. But yeah, let me know what you guys would do down below in the comments. Would you keep the bathtub right here, or would you move it to over here as a shower area and the toilet stuff go on that side? Weight distribution wise, would you keep it in the middle? I don't know where any of the tanks are, so we're gonna go find that out right now actually. Let's blow the sink, by the way. Look at it. There's rat droppings everywhere. And then the wheel well. That's what it looks inside. I'm guessing that's the heater down there. I haven't opened anything up, so I don't know. Propane gas heater. Yeah, that's gas, all right. This all has to be taken out. Fantastic. If you guys have any tips, advice, things like that, we greatly appreciate it. Oh yeah. Other than that, it's gonna be. I'm hoping a 2-month project. I hope it's 2 months. I don't know if it's gonna take 2 months or not. Might take a lot longer than that. But I'm hoping for 2 months. Demolish it, get all ready. Like should be doable, right? That way we can go camping for the fall. Oh, and this works too. Look at this. There's 3 of them. It's very janky, but it works. Now you guys can see up there better. So yeah. Not too bad. I could do it. I can do this in 2 months. I could destroy it and rebuild it. Make it better than ever. But yeah, if you guys got any advice, let me know down in the comments because it's probably gonna take longer than 2 months, but we're gonna give it the good old college try. It's gonna take a lot of effort here. Well yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.